Welcome back, aviation enthusiasts. My name is Solomon, and you're watching Flipside 05, where we dive deep into the most thrilling aviation topics. For as long as I can remember, I've been fascinated by how aviation continues to break technological, geographical, and even environmental barriers. But today, we're jumping way into the future. Imagine boarding a plane in the year 2050. What will the aviation world look like? With advancements happening at breakneck speed, it's no longer a distant dream. In fact, many of the innovations shaping the skies in 2050 are already on the way today. So fasten your seatbelts as we embark on a mind-blowing journey into the future of aviation. By the year 2050, the aviation industry will look dramatically different from what we see today. One of the key drivers will be sustainability. With climate change at the forefront of global discussions, aviation, which currently accounts for 2 to 3% of global CO2 emissions, will undergo a green revolution. Airlines will be flying hydrogen-powered planes, electric aircrafts, and hybrid systems, all aimed at achieving net zero emissions by 2050. But that's not all. Aircraft themselves will change in shape, size, and operation. Hydrogen propulsion is already being tested by aviation giants like Airbus, with their Zero-E project slated to bring the world its first zero-emission commercial aircraft by 2035. By 2050, hydrogen-powered aircraft could dominate the skies, offering clean, efficient travel over long distances. Imagine flying from London to New York on a sleek, futuristic plane that emits nothing but water vapor. Electric aircrafts are also making waves, especially for regional travel. Aviation's earliest electric aircraft already flew its maiden flight in 2022, signaling a huge step towards electric aviation. By 2050, advancements in battery technology will allow for longer-range electric flights. In fact, it's expected that electric aircrafts could serve 50% of all regional flights by then. Planes won't be the same in 2050. Gone are the days of tubular fuselages and swept-back wings. Futuristic designs like blended wing bodies are already in development by NASA and Boeing, offering a more aerodynamic structure that uses less fuel. Imagine an aircraft where the fuselage and wings blend into one continuous shape, allowing for increased fuel efficiency and more spacious cabins. These innovations are key to supporting the goal of creating 100% sustainable air travel by mid-century. If you thought Concorde was fast, hypersonic planes could soon make crossing the Atlantic a matter of 2 hours or less. Companies like Boom Supersonic and Helios are working on commercial aircraft capable of flying at Mach 5. That's 5 times the speed of sound. By 2050, these planes could be a common sight, carrying passengers at unprecedented speeds. Forget about 2 pilots in the cockpit. By 2050, we might not need pilots at all. Autonomous flight is one of the most radical changes on the horizon. While cargo planes and small aircrafts are already being tested with autonomous technology, by 2050, fully automated commercial jets could take to the skies. Companies like X-Wing and Reliable Robotics are building this technology. And although safety concerns are still being ironed out, automation will play a huge role in improving safety and efficiency. By 2050, airports will function like well-oiled machines thanks to smart technology. Airports will be equipped with biometric security systems, allowing passengers to pass through check-in, security, and boarding seamlessly without needing to show a passport or boarding pass. Autonomous robots will handle your luggage, while AI-powered systems direct ground traffic, ensuring that every plane takes off and lands without delays. Managing the increased traffic from autonomous, electric, and supersonic aircraft will require cutting-edge AI-driven air traffic management systems. NASA's ATMX project is already working towards the development of a revolutionary system to manage future air traffic more efficiently, reducing delays and congestion. By 2050, this AI-based control will orchestrate thousands of aircraft in real time, optimizing flight paths and ensuring safety. Let's shift our gaze even higher, beyond the clouds, to space. By 2050, space travel won't just be for astronauts, it will be for everyone. The aviation industry and space travel are already starting to merge, and space tourism is about to boom. SpaceX, led by Elon Musk, is spearheading efforts to make space tourism mainstream. By 2050, space planes could be transporting passengers into low Earth orbit for vacations and sightseeing trips in space. Imagine being able to book a hotel room at a space station, orbiting Earth, or taking a weekend trip to the moon. Virgin Galactic and Blue Origin are also working to make commercial space travel a reality. Virgin Galactic has already flown tourists into space with plans to make these flights regular and accessible. By 2050, spaceports might be as common as airports are today. As space technology advances, it will redefine what aviation means. The boundary between Earth and space will blur, and new frontiers will open up for commercial travel. While the concept of flying cars may sound far-fetched, companies like Terrafugia and Aeromobile are making real progress towards personal flying vehicles. By 2050, flying cars could be used for short-distance commutes, drastically changing how we navigate urban environments. NASA and MIT engineers are already experimenting with morphing wings that change shape during flight to optimize aerodynamics. This technology could significantly improve fuel efficiency and flight speed. Looking even further ahead, some companies are working on hyperloop systems that combine aviation with high-speed rail. Space elevators, once purely science fiction, are also being considered for launching spacecraft into orbit without rockets. So what will aviation look like in 2050? It will be faster, greener, and more technologically advanced than anything we've imagined. From hypersonic flight and zero-emission planes to space tourism and autonomous aircraft, the future of aviation is here and is shaping up to be extraordinary. Thank you for flying with us on Flipside 05 today. Make sure to subscribe for more insights into the fascinating world of aviation, and always remember, keep your eyes on the skies because the future is closer than you think.